सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः।
Dear graduates, if any of your friends or family were not able to make it for the graduation ceremony today, they could view it on livestream.com. As a mark of respect to our esteemed invitees and guests, I request the graduates to remain seated throughout the program. We solicit your professionalism. And most importantly, please do not cross the barricade and step on the aisle during the ceremonial procession. Marching down the aisle and escorting the graduates, we have the students from the School of Allied Health Sciences kindly rise as the dignitaries proceed towards the dais. Leading the march is the Pro-Chancellor of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Dr. H.S. Ballal, escorting the Chief Guest of Convocation 2018, Dr. H. Sudarshan Ballal, Chairman of the Manipal Health Enterprises Private Limited. The esteemed officials of MAHE participating in the march include the Vice Chancellor of MAHE, Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, and the Pro-Vice Chancellor, Mangalore Campus, Dr. Surendra V. Shetty, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Malacca Campus, Dr. Abdul Razak, and Pro-Vice Chancellor, Faculty of Health Sciences, Dr. Purnima Baliga, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Quality Assurance, Dr. P.L.N.G. Rao, and Pro-Vice Chancellor, Corporate Academia Engagement, Dr. Thammayya C.S., Registrar Dr. Narayana Sabahit, Director Student Affairs Dr. Geeta Maya, School of Communications Dr. Padma Rani, and Director School of Information Sciences Professor Ramashesha C.S., Dean School of Allied Health Sciences Dr. B. Rajshekhar, and Director School of Management Dr. Ravindranath Naik, Director School of Life Sciences Dr. K. Satyamurthy, and Dean School of Regenerative Medicine Dr. Gopal Pandey. Director, School of Architecture, Dr. Deepika Shetty, and Director, Prasanna School of Public Health, Dr. Helmut Brand. Joint Director, Manipal Institute of Technology, Dr. B.H.V. Pai, and Associate Directors, Manipal Institute of Technology, Dr. Harish S. Kumar, and Dr. Manohar Pai M.M.
शान्ता पृथिवी शान्तमिदं मुरुवन्तरिक्षं शान्ता उदन्वतीरापः शान्ता न सन्तोषधीः शान्तानि पूर्वरूपाणि शान्तं न अस्तु कृताकृतं शान्तं भूतं च भव्यं च सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः इयं या परमेश्वरी महीष्टिनम् मनोवां ब्रह्म संशितम् येनैव ससृजे घोरम् तेनैव शान्तिरस्तु नः तेनैव शान्तिरस्तु नः इमानि यानि पञ्चेन्द्रियाणि मनः षष्ठानि मे हृदि ब्रह्मणा संशितानि यैरेव ससृजे घोरम् तैरेव शान्तिरस्तु नः तैरेव शान्तिरस्तु नः पृथिवी शान्तिः अन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः द्यौ शान्तिः आपः शान्तिः ओषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिः विश्वे मे देवा शान्तिः सर्वे मे देवा शान्तिः 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 शान्तिभिः ताभिः शान्तिभिः सर्वः शान्तिभिः शमयामोऽहं यदिह घोरं यदिह क्रूरं यदिह पापं तच्छान्तं तच्छिवं सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः
I request the Pro-Chancellor of MAHE, Dr. H.S. Ballal, to declare the 26th convocation of Manipal Academy of Higher Education open.
I, Dr. H.S. Ballal, Pro-Chancellor, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, on behalf of Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, Chancellor, MAHE, hereby declare the 26th convocation of our university open.
Of this evening, Dr. Sudarshan Ballal, Chairman, Manipal Enterprises Private Limited, Pro-Chancellor Dr. H.S. Ballal, Vice-Chancellor Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, Trustee and First Lady of MAHE, Mrs. Vasanti R. Pai, Pro-Vice-Chancellors Dr. Surendra Shetty, Dr. P.L.N.G. Rao, Dr. Abdul Razak, and Dr. C.S. Timaya, Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabahit, Registrar Evaluation Dr. Vinod Thomas, Director Student Affairs Dr. Geeta Maya, Deputy Registrars Dr. Shamala Hande and Dr. Preetham Kumar, Heads of Constituent Institutions of Manipal University, Administrators, Faculty members, members of the press and electronic media, distinguished invitees, parents of the degree awardees, graduates, postgraduates, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening to all of you. I have great pleasure in extending a hearty welcome to all of you for honoring our invitation to commemorate the 26th convocation of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. A convocation ceremony is a special day in the academic life of students, as after years of hard work and dedication, they get their hard-earned education degrees. Wearing the traditional academic regalia and walking up the stage is a dream of every student in front of his colleagues, friends, and family members who have supported him in their difficult endeavor. It's a defining moment in every student's life, giving his life self-esteem a boost. As black hats are tossed in air, the sky is filled with euphoria. Graduation Day is a unique celebration. It's the coming of age, the arrival of maturity and responsibility, which makes the hearts go aflutter. Students dream of this grand day all their college life. The Manipal Academy of Higher Education stands in its glory here today because of the visionary Dr. T.M.A. Pai, who was the founder of Manipal Group of Institutions. Dr. Ramdas M. Pai followed his father's footsteps and converted a local university into a global education village of great status. Today, we are fortunate to have, on this eventful occasion, our own distinguished alumnus as our esteemed chief guest, Dr. H. Sudarshan Ballal, Chairman, Manipal Health Enterprises Private Limited. It's a privilege and honor to have you with us today, sir. On behalf of MAHE, we are deeply appreciative and offer our most cordial and friendly welcome to you, sir.
Chief guest for the 26th convocation of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Dr. Sudarshan Ballal, the Chairman of Manipal Health Enterprises Private Limited, Mrs. Vasanti Pai, the Trustee of MAHE, Pro-Chancellor Dr. H.S. Ballal, Pro-Vice-Chancellors Dr. Surendra Shetty, Dr. P.L.N.G. Rao, Dr. Abdul Razak, Dr. Purnima Baliga, and Dr. Tamaya, Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabahit, Registrar Evaluation Dr. Vinod Thomas, Deputy Registrars Dr. Shamala Hande and Dr. Preetham Kumar, Director Student Affairs Dr. Geeta Maya, Heads of Constituent Units of MAHE, Trustees, members of the Academic Council, members of the Board of Management, administrators, faculty, members of the media, distinguished invitees, online viewers, parents, and my dear students. I am pleased to take you through a short presentation of the university's achievements in the last 12 months. Dr. Tonsai Madhava Anant Pai, the man who conceived and created Manipal, was a pioneer in educational entrepreneurship. His far-sighted vision and single-minded approach saw the birth of private medical education in Manipal, which led to a model emulated across the country even to this day. His illustrious son, Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, made Manipal an international university township and also took Indian higher education overseas. Dr. Ranjan Pai is at the forefront of enterprise in education, healthcare, and cutting-edge research. With several spectacular successes behind him, he represents the third generation. Commitment, perseverance, integrity, and humility have been the core values of the family, and the university has adopted them as its own in its march forward. Dr. Ramdas Pai was conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry on the 30th of October this year in Delhi. This is yet another recognition of Dr. Pai's contribution to higher education in India and the neighborhood. MHRD's special status to MAHE as an institution of eminence is an acknowledgement of what we have done in the past and the potential to become a globally ranked university in the future. This is a defining moment for MAHE, coming in its 25th year. The responsibilities attached to this coveted position are mammoth but not insurmountable. Our target is to be ranked below 800 by the Times Higher Education by 2019. As an institution of higher education, we have been in existence for more than 6 decades, and as a university for 25 years. With all the previous vice-chancellors sharing the stage to start a year-long celebration, it was nothing short of a historic occasion. Kasturba Medical College is the flagship institute of the university by its seniority, its high standards in academics and research. Congratulations and best wishes to the graduating class of 2018. May you excel in all that you do and remain connected to your alma mater. Thank you.
Dr. Ballal set up the first postgraduate training center in nephrology in Karnataka and performed the first cadaver kidney transplantation in Karnataka. He is the first one to set up a training program in nephrology in the state of Karnataka in 1999 and can claim to have trained the largest number of nephrology postgraduates in Karnataka. He continues to serve as the adjunct professor of medicine at KMC Manipal MAHE. Dr. Sudarshan Ballal was awarded the prestigious Rajyotsava Award by the Government of Karnataka in 2005 for his contributions in the field of medicine. He has also been bestowed with the prestigious Namma Bengaluru Awards for his individual achievements in 2009 and the prestigious Dr. B.C. Roy Award in 2010 by the Government of Karnataka. Further, he was conferred with the Trinity Vaidya Ratna Award 2010 for the yeoman service to mankind by Trinity Health and Educational Trust. In November 2012, he has been honored with the Balyendra Award. And in May 2014, he was honored with the Teacher of Excellence Award by the National Board of Examination, New Delhi, for his distinguished contributions and achievements towards medical education. In January 2016, he was honored with the New Year Award in a ceremony organized by the Academy of General Education, MAHE, and Syndicate Bank. In 2017, he was conferred with the Doordarshana Chandana Award 2017, presented by D.D. Chandana Prasar Bharati. He has been nominated as a member of the Senate of the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and is a member of the Senate of MAHE, Karnataka. In view of his impeccable credentials, the state government of Karnataka has appointed him as the civil society representative on the State Police Complaints Authority from 2014 to 2017. He is also the member of the jury for Healthcare Awards sponsored by CNBC TV 18 and ICICI Lombard.
Rajna, for a very generous introduction. For a while, I was thinking who this gentleman is, till the Vice Chancellor reminded me it is you, Dr. Ballal. A very good afternoon to all of you. The most respected, dignified Chancellor of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Padma Shri Dr. Ramdas M. Pai in absentia, the very elegant better half of Dr. Ramdas Pai, the First Lady of Manipal, Mrs. Vasanti R. Pai, the young at heart, bubbly, enthusiastic and dynamic Pro-Chancellor of MAHE, our own Dr. H. Subhash Krishna Ballal, the stoic, professorial, dignified Vice Chancellor of MAHE, Dr. Vinod Bhatt, respected Pro-Vice Chancellors, Deans, senior faculty of MAHE, parents, members of the media, my dear, dear, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great honor and a privilege to be invited to deliver the convocation address at my alma mater, the place where I literally started my life and career as a student in medicine almost 5 decades ago. Most of you, I'm sure, except in the first few rows, were not born at that time. So it's indeed a very, very great feeling to be back in the college campus where I grew. Manipal probably would have been a small village next to the temple town of Udupi, but for the visionary founder of modern Manipal, the late Padma Shri Dr. T.M.A. Pai, who embarked on building the Manipal group of institutions, which then was taken forward in leaps and bounds and put up prominently in the world map by his illustrious son, Padma Bhushan Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, the Chancellor of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. The third generation of the Pais, Dr. Ranjan Pai, has added a world-class health facility, Manipal Hospitals, to the group's activities. Today, we are indeed very proud that MAHE has become the first institute of eminence in the private sector in Karnataka and the only 2 private sector institutions in the country to achieve this status. And I'm sure all of you gathered here are very proud to be graduating from this institute of eminence. I'm sure one illustrious family like the Pai family in each district of this country would have made us the most prosperous nation in the world. So I thank the Chancellor, the Pro-Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor for giving me this opportunity to be here.
Pro-Chancellor Dr. H.S. Bellal, Vice-Chancellor Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, Pro-Vice-Chancellors Dr. Abdul Razak, Dr. V. Surendra Shetty, Dr. Purnima Baliga, Dr. P.L.N.G. Rao, Dr. Tammaya C.S., Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabayat, heads of institutions, university officials, other esteemed dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to give a brief statistical report about the number of graduates on whom the degree is going to be conferred. 3,245 undergraduate degrees will be conferred in this convocation, of which 2,480 will receive the degree in person and 765 will receive the degree in absentia.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः
I am pleased to present the winners of the prestigious Dr. T.M. Pai Gold Medal of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education for the year 2017-18. Best Outgoing B.Pharm Graduate, Sana Pai from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Best Outgoing BDS Graduate, Mr. Asadur Rahman Midday from Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore. Best Outgoing BSc Nursing Graduate, Ogin Dolma from Manipal College of Nursing, Manipal. Best Outgoing BR Graduate, Anne Matthew from Faculty of Architecture, Manipal. Best Outgoing MB Embedded System Postgraduate, Mr. Mascarenis Jaswil Everard from School of Information Science, Manipal. Best Outgoing MSc Molecular Biology and Human Genetics, Akilaja Pratyusha from School of Life Sciences, Manipal. Congratulations to all the gold medalists and wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. I now invite Dr. Preetham Kumar, Deputy Registrar Academics Technical, to kindly present the PhD graduates. I request Chief Guest Dr. H. Sudarshan Ballal and Pro-Chancellor Dr. H.S. Ballal to kindly do the honors.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the PhD awardees of MAHE. Cyril Joseph, Rajesh Naik. Shagufta Praveen, Ravindra Malya. Shanti Sheila, Suja and Matthew. Chatti Venkata Soumya Janvi, Rohini Rao. Praveen Devangat, Maktum Hussain Tamboli. Sushmita Ramana Karkada, Melita Shalini. Kolekar Sucheta Vishwanath, Krishnanand Naik. Pradeep G. Kidi, Rajendra Kumar Angara. Vishnu Ranjit, Subbalakshmi S. Anjan Gudiyar, Sushruta S. Jyoti Thomas, Vikram Baliga. Jijo Iso George, Jesse A. Manjunathan P, Smriti Raghuram. Rohit Ravi, Bhavna. Shiba G, Bokre Anand. And Nitya Sri. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sirs.
Kasturba Medical College, Manipal. First, the MBBS graduates, Dr. Suhas and Dr. Anne Elizabeth John. Dr. Om Hui Jia and Dr. Radhika Hariprasad Nair. The postgraduates, Dr. Arnepalli Naveen for MS General Surgery and Dr. Sunny Singh for MD Psychiatry. DM Cardiology, Dr. Sushant Vatal and DM Nephrology, Dr. Srinivas Vinayak Shenai. The MSc postgraduates, MSc Medical Biochemistry, Prarthana Barman and Brijesh S. Nayak. MSc Medical Biochemistry, Priyanka Sridharan, and MSc Genetic Counseling, Lakshmi Priya Rao. Congratulations and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. I now invite the Dean of KMC Mangalore, Dr. M.V. Prabhu, to kindly present his graduates, and I request the Vice Chancellor, Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, and Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Surendra V. Shetty, to confer the degrees.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. Dr. Jaswin Prajwal D'Souza, Dr. Silpa Matthew. Dr. Nipuni Chamatka Herath, Dr. Rupinder Kaur Baniwal. Dr. Marin Mariam Roy, Dr. Lee Kwao Sean. Dr. Krishnavalli Perumal, Dr. Ratna J. Dr. Avnish Likha, Dr. Nijal Miranda. Dr. Varsha Venu, Dr. Lubaina Ibrahim. Dr. Sachini Chaturka Amarasekara. Dr. Syed Mujtahidi. Dr. Mallika Parvati Sridhar. Dr. Meher Kaur Singha. Dr. Abhinav Panwar. Dr. Ravi. Dr. Divya Goyal. Dr. Varsha Shetty, Dr. Ashwin Rajiv. Dr. Megha, Dr. Swayam Vaibhav. Dr. Salman Anwar. MD Pediatrics, Kuppanagari Dr. Santosh Kalyan. MSc Medical Biochemistry, Ms. Pooja Whitey, Ms. Aishwarya G. Warrior, Ms. Harsha M. Ganti, Ms. Hitaksh Kumar RN, Ms. Anusha Kini, Ms. Shreya S, Ms. Pratiksha, Ms. Desi, Ms. Taksha L. Pujari. MSc Pharmacology, Ms. Sudishma and Ms. Nadira Naushida. Allied Health Courses, BASLP, Mr. Abu BA, Ms. Akshaya S. Ms. Tanya Rukia, Mr. Dilip M. Ms. Raquel Melrita Rebello, Mr. Astor Franz Miranda. Ms. Aishwarya PM, Ms. Shindesia Krishna Dinesh, Ms. Priya Lakshmi, Ms. Soparnika Sadananda, Ms. Priyanka Suresh Nayak, Ms. Nayana, Ms. Atira Kevi, Mr. Imtiaz, Ms. Anu Maria Thomas, Ms. Safa Khadija Sheikh, Ms. Rushma Skaria, Mr. Paul Chris Matthew, Ms. Sania Mariam Rashika, Ms. Aisha Ruha, Mr. K. Arvind, Ms. Alina Alex, and Ms. Fatima Sana. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. To begin with, Bachelor of Pharmacy graduates, Pratiksha K.R. and Divya K. Shreyan. Abu Bakr Sanusi Abdullahi and Vivian Monoti Kahamba. Nandini Atmakur Gandhi and Aman Pragnesh Sa. Nakvi Imtiaz Ghulam Abbas Adamji and Himanshu Sahu. Pranil Das and Ankit Ashwati. Anna Celesta Singh and Suboniso Dimbolito Mia. Sangeeta Mukhopadhyaya and Rahul Kumar. Gohil Parth Bipin and Pranav Mithal. Somarazu Ravind Kumar and Sushant Shekhar. Shifa Riaz and Kalki Srileka. Bahadur Aditi Apurva and Preeti Suvarna. Utkarsh Chandra and Talasila Snehita. Datla Sri Varsha and Taiwadi Chaitali Mangesh.
Paritala Saumit and Riona Fernandez. Purnima D and Aishwarya R. Shanai. Aisha Hina and Sahana Pai. Archana Gurraj Bhatt and Shreya. Surabhi Mukherjee and Mane Rajini Vikas. Anirudh Manoj and Jyotika Mitra. Himanshu Mishra and Nikita Parasar. Vijay Abraham and Diksha. Shishmita Sharol Pinto and Anamika Singh. Amal Amir Abdullah Saeed and Shreya S. Shetty. Vijal Chandra Dekha and Nawal Ahmad. And now the Doctor of Pharmacy graduates, Dr. Kamath Rahul Dinesh and Dr. C.H. Devi Shushmita. Dr. Raghuvesh alias Varad Khaini and Dr. Pisapati NVSRS Aditya. And next, the Master of Pharmacy graduates, Maitreyi Datto Goswami and Priyadarshini Datto. Swastika Meiti and Artrey Sen. Tejashwini Ashwini Kalkunduri and Lord Rutuja Anand. Saswati Priyadarshini and Chaudhary Dharmendra Bhagirat. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now invite the Dean of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal, Dr. Kirtilata M. Pai, to present her graduates, and I request sirs to kindly continue.
I am pleased to present the following postgraduates of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal. MDS in Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Dr. Sayan Das Gupta and Dr. Riddhi Thakkar. Dr. Ruchi Agarwal, MDS in Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, and Dr. Sonali Pradhan, MDS Oral Pathology and Microbiology. MDS in Periodontology, Dr. Asmita Vijay Kumar and Dr. Manjusha V. Dr. Anupam Singh, MDS in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, and Dr. Rachana Pappu, MDS in Periodontology. MDS in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, Dr. Jyotsna Rajan and Dr. Vasant Dhara. Dr. Chanpreet Singh Ladhar, MDS in Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics, and Dr. Kawardeep Kaur, MDS in Pedodontics and Preventive Dentistry. MDS in Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge, Dr. Vidhi Goyal and Dr. Ashita Vijay. Dr. Abhinav Kumar and Dr. Singh Kushbu Kumari, both MDS in Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge.
Dr. Gayatri Krishnamurthy, MDS in Prosthodontics, and Dr. Saurabh Kumar Roy, MDS in Oral Medicine and Radiology. I now present the BDS graduates, Dr. Ambashri Bharadwaj and Dr. Tanushri Jain. Dr. Jaskirat Kaur and Dr. Shreya Shivangi. Dr. Prerna. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sirs. I invite the Principal, Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Chef Thirugnana Sambandham, to present his graduates, and Pro-Vice Chancellors, Dr. Purnima Baliga and Dr. Tamaya CS, to award the degrees.
Good evening, everyone. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Department of Culinary Arts, and Department of Allied Hospitality Studies. To begin with, Bachelor of Hotel Management, Sohel Cholara, Srishti Bharadwaj. Ashish Aditya Vikas. Ashim Aluwalia, Srijan Kapoor. Barin M. Sheikh, Kartikeya Garg. Saurabh Diman, Kyle Mohanty. Aish Abhinav, Aditya Singh. KM Tripti Yadav, Pranav Sinha. Prakhar Mohan Avasti, Abhishek Sharma. Siddharth Mahapatra, Mrinal Sethi. Siddharth Nandakumar, Siddharthan Yam. Sresh Shetty, Rahul Dadachapalli. Sanjay Shankar, Apur Sudan. Congratulations and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. I invite the Dean of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore, Dr. Dilip G. Naik, to present his graduates, and I request Dr. Tamaya to kindly continue. Purnima ma'am, thank you.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Bangalore. MDS in Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics, Dr. Khyati Narula. MDS in Periodontology, Dr. Sayantan Karmakar. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I invite the Dean of Manipal College of Nursing, Dr. Anis George, to present her graduates, and I request Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabahid and Registrar Evaluation Dr. Vinod V. Thomas to confer the degrees.
Ms. Swati, Ms. Furbu Dolma. Ms. Melisha Sarah D'Souza and Ms. Urgian Dolma. Ms. Gleshma Fatima D'Souza and Ms. Rinjan Pema. Ms. Ellen Maria George and Ms. Tenzin Dolma. Ms. Rachel Sandra Norona and Mr. Govind Soni. Ms. Praji M. Mammen and Post Basic BSc Nursing, Ms. Ashmita Ravina Lobo. Ms. Flona Arosa and Ms. Swati S. Ms. Felicia Deepthi Ferraro and Ms. Joylyn Sherin.
Nagireddy Sarat Chandra and Yash Agarwala. Aishwarya Raj and Achintya Mishra. Yashika Padambail and Arjun P. Kanur. Shama B. and Manik Gupta. Priyanka Chadda and Vedam Prithvi Pavan Kumar. Pratik and Srishti Chitturu. Aditya Taneja and Sabbavarapu Pratyush Sai Veer. Siddharth Guhan and Abhishek Shah. Avatu Raviteja and Narla Vishnuvardhan. Mova Akhil and R. Pratik Mehta. Bellamkonda Srinivasa Anir and Siddhant Tiwari. Tapojyoti Basu and Rishi Kumar. Pranav Rajiv Karjikar and Michelle Lourdes De Silva. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Dear graduates, the closing hour has finally arrived. New challenges and opportunities await you tomorrow that will further test your mettle as improving individuals. As you continue with your journey, may you look back to this day with fondness and pride. Enjoy your day of celebration with your family and friends. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to collect your snack boxes from the counters outside. Thank you and a very good evening.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः।
Good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the convocation is a solemn event. Before we begin, may I remind each of you to please keep your mobile phone switched off or in the silent mode. I request everyone to kindly clear the aisle for the ceremonial procession and to please occupy your seats. Official photographers and videographers are available to capture the moments. I request everyone to please remain seated and avoid standing in between to take photographs. The photographs are available for download from the Manipal website. As a mark of respect, I request all the graduates and guests to please remain seated till the end of the program. For those whose friends and family could not make it, this is to remind you that the entire convocation is available on live stream, and you are most welcome to share the link with all those who couldn't be here to share your special day. We solicit your support to honor the solemnity of this occasion. Every end has a new beginning, and this, my dear graduates, is the end of the beginning. Today marks the day when you now go out into the world as professionals, hardworking, competent, ethical, and sincere, values which we hope you will keep with you all your days. We are honored to have with us this afternoon Dr. Sauvik Bhattacharya, Vice Chancellor of BITS Pilani, as the chief guest. On behalf of the Chancellor and the administration, I, Abraham, take this opportunity to welcome you all to the 26th convocation of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education, an institute of eminence. The procession is being led by the students from the School of Communication carrying diyas. Light dispels darkness and knowledge, the darkness of ignorance. May the knowledge you have gained here continue to lead your path, and may you always be a shining light to all those around you wherever you go. The Diya girls are followed by the University flag bearer, Mr. Jay Vittal, Estate Officer, Mahe. With them are the PhD scholars, the gold medalists, and the super specialists from the various disciplines across the university. Take their places, we now await the entrance of the dignitaries. Request everyone to please rise as the dignitaries make their way to the dais. Following the university flag, we have our Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballal, leading the procession. He is joined by the chief guest, Dr. Sauvik Bhattacharya, Vice Chancellor of BITS Pilani, and Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, the Vice Chancellor, Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Following suit are the Pro-Vice Chancellors of Mahe, Dr. Abdul Razak, Pro Vice Chancellor, Malacca Campus, Dr. B. Surendra Shetty, Pro Vice Chancellor, Mangalore Campus, Dr. PLNG Rao, Pro Vice Chancellor, Quality Assurance, and Dr. Purnima Baligavi, Pro Vice Chancellor, Faculty of Health Sciences. With them are Dr. Narayana Sabahit, Registrar Mahe, and Dr. Vinod V. Thomas, Registrar Evaluation. They are followed by the Director Student Affairs, Dr. Geeta Maya, Deputy Registrar Academics, Dr. Shyamala Hande, Deputy Registrar Academics, Dr. Preetham Kumar, and Deputy Registrar Evaluation, Dr. Madhukar Malya. Along with them are the heads of the 19 constituent institutes of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Dr. Pragna Rao, Dean KMC Manipal, Dr. M.V. Prabhu, Dean KMC Mangalore, Dr. Srikanth Rao, Director MIT, Dr. C. Mallikarjuna Rao, Principal MCOPS, Dr. Kirti Lata M. Pai, Dean MCODS Manipal, Dr. Dilip G. Nayak, Dean MCODS Mangalore, Chef Thirunyana Sambandam, Principal Vagsha, Dr. Anis George, Dean MCON, Dr. Radha Krishna Aital, Director ICAS, Dr. Ullas Kamath, Dean Malacca Manipal Medical College, Manipal, Dr. Padma Rani, Director School of Communication, Professor Ramashesha CS, Director SIS, Dr. B. Rajashekar, Dean School of Allied Health Sciences, Dr. Ravindranath Nayak, Director School of Management, Dr. K. Satyamurthy, Director School of Life Sciences, Dr. Gopal Pandey, Dean School of Regenerative Medicine, Dr. Deepika Shetty, Director Faculty of Architecture, Dr. Helmut Brand, Director Fresna School of Public Health, Dr. B.H.V. Pai, Joint Director MIT, and Associate Directors of MIT, Dr. Narayana Shenoy K. and Dr. Somshekhar Bhatt. I welcome onto the dais Mrs. Vasanti R. Pai, First Lady of Mahe and Trustee of the Mahe Trust. I request everyone to remain standing for the national anthem.
शान्ता पृथिवी शान्तमिदं मुरुवन्तरिक्षं शान्ता उदन्वतीरापः शान्ता न सन्तोषधीः शान्तानि पूर्वरूपाणि शान्तं न अस्तु कृताकृतं शान्तं भूतं च भव्यं च सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः इयं या परमेष्टिनी वाग्देवी ब्रह्म संशिता ययैव ससृजे घोरं तयैव शान्तिरस्तु नः तयैव शान्तिरस्तु नः इदं यत् परमेष्टिनी निष्ठिनं मनो वा ब्रह्म संशितं येनैव ससृजे घोरं तेनैव शान्तिरस्तु नः तेनैव शान्तिरस्तु नः इमानि यानि पञ्चेन्द्रियाणि मनः षष्ठानि मे हृदि ब्रह्मणा संशितानि यैरेव ससृजे घोरं तैरेव शान्तिरस्तु नः तैरेव शान्तिरस्तु नः पृथिवी शान्तिः अन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः द्यौ शान्तिः आपः शान्तिः ओषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिः विश्वे मे देवा शान्तिः सर्वे मे देवा शान्तिः 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 शान्तिभिः ताभिः शान्तिभिः सर्वः शान्तिभिः शमया मोहं यदिह घोरं यदिह क्रूरं यदिह पापं तच्छान्तं तच्छिवं सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः
Chief guest for the 26th convocation of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Dr. Souvik Bhattacharya, Vice Chancellor BITS Pilani, Mrs. Vasanti R. Pai, Trustee of Mahe Trust and First Lady of Mahe, Pro-Chancellor of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Dr. H.S. Ballal, Vice Chancellor Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Pro-Vice Chancellors Dr. Purnima Baliga, Datuk Dr. Abdul Razak, Dr. P.L.N.G. Rao, Dr. C.S. Tammayya, Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabahit, Registrar Evaluation Dr. Vinod Thomas, Director Students Affairs Dr. Geeta Mayya, Deputy Registrars Dr. Shamala Hande and Dr. Pritam Kumar, members of Mahe Trust, Board of Management, Academic Council, heads of constituent institutions of Mahe, members of faculty, university administrators, distinguished invitees, members of the media, online viewers, parents, and my dear graduates and postgraduates. A very good evening to all of you. I have great pleasure in extending a hearty welcome to all of you for honoring our invitation to commemorate the 26th convocation of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Convocation is an important event in the life of an institution and its graduates. It's a landmark event both for the graduates and the institution. It provides an opportunity to graduates to ceremonially receive their degrees and merit credentials. Manipal Academy of Higher Education has grown by leaps and bounds to occupy a very prestigious place among the top-ranking universities in India and is surely moving forward to cement a similar position globally. Today, Manipal Academy of Higher Education is an institute of eminence. We are fortunate to have on this eventful occasion of the 26th convocation of Manipal University, Dr. Souvik Bhattacharya, a mechanical engineering graduate from Jadavpur University, Calcutta, MS in Thermal Sciences from University of Cincinnati, USA, and PhD from Texas A&M University, USA. Currently, he is the Vice Chancellor of BITS Pilani for its 4 campuses in Pilani, Dubai, Goa, Hyderabad. Sir, I extend a very hearty welcome to the convocation. I offer a wholehearted welcome to Mrs. Vasanti R. Pai, Trustee of Mahe Trust and First Lady of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. We are happy to have amidst us today Dr. H.S. Ballal, Pro-Chancellor of our university and the guiding force behind the growth of this university. To you, sir, I extend a delightful welcome. A respectful welcome to Mrs. Indira Ballal. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, Vice Chancellor of our university, who has been a part of the leadership team for many years and played a pivotal role in Manipal Academy of Higher Education becoming an institute of eminence. I extend a pleasant welcome to you, sir. A cordial welcome to Mrs. Dr. Parvati Bhatt. I recognize the presence of members of Pai family and extend a very warm welcome to all of them. A warm welcome to our Pro-Vice Chancellors, Dr. Purnima Baliga, Datu Dr. Abdul Razak, Dr. P.L.N.G. Rao, Dr. C.S. Tammaya, and Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabahit, Registrar Evaluation, Dr. Vinod Thomas, Director Students Affairs, Dr. Geeta Maya, Deputy Registrars, Dr. Shamala Hande, Dr. Preetam Kumar. I welcome the members of the Mahe Trust, Board of Management, Academic Senate, and Finance Committee, who monitor and ensure constant and consistent progress in the activities of Mahe. Our well-wishers, donors, the light of Manipal, Udupi, and Mangalore, who have made us happy with their presence here, and I welcome all of them. The Manipal team consisting of heads of constituent institutions, the faculty members, the officers of the university, and all the supporting staff who continue to play a dynamic role in carrying forward the vision of our university. My hearty welcome to all those who are present here today on this occasion. The members of the press and the media have been proactive in highlighting our many achievements and showcasing our ideals, vision, and goals. Hearty welcome to all of them who have responded to our invitation. My congratulations are to the proud parents of the graduates and postgraduates and postdoctoral fellows who have come here to be with us and share our joy. I extend a very warm welcome to all of them. Last but not the least, a hearty welcome to the most important people of this convocation, that is graduates, the postgraduates, and postdoctoral fellows who are eager to receive their degrees today. My dear young graduates, today you are standing on a bridge between the past and the future. Your education does not end with the degrees, the knowledge, and the subjects you have studied. Education is not the total marks, merit positions, and awards you have obtained. Your personality is not merely a collection of testimonials and certificates. My dear graduates, education is a lifetime process. Graduation is not the end, but a milestone in your journey. Please remember that the journey of life has no interval. A new chapter is now to begin in your life. You are the architect of your future. Believe in yourself and your committed efforts. Hard work is the only real solace in life. Good luck to all of you, and may the Lord Almighty bless you abundantly. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I am pleased to take you through a short presentation of the university's achievements in the last 12 months. Dr. Tonsai Madhav Anant Pai, the man who conceived and created Manipal, was a pioneer in educational entrepreneurship. His far-sighted vision and single-minded approach saw the birth of a private medical education in Manipal, which led to a model emulated across the country even to this day. His illustrious son, Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, made Manipal an international university township and also took Indian higher education overseas. Dr. Ranjan Pai is at the forefront of enterprise in education, healthcare, and cutting-edge research. With several spectacular successes behind him, he represents the third generation. Commitment, perseverance, integrity, and humility have been the core values of the family, and the university has adopted them as its own in its march forward. Dr. Ramdas M. Pai was conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award by the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry on the 30th of October this year in Delhi. This is yet another recognition of Dr. Pai's contribution to higher education in India and the neighborhood. MHRD's special status to MAHE as an institution of eminence is an acknowledgement of what we have done in the past and the potential to become a globally ranked university in the future. This is a defining moment for MAHE, coming in its 25th year. The responsibilities attached to this coveted status are mammoth, but not insurmountable. Our target is to be ranked below 800 by Times Higher Education in 2019. As an institution of higher education, we have been in existence for more than 6 decades and as a university for 25 years, with all the previous vice-chancellors sharing a stage to start the year-long celebrations. It was nothing short of an historic occasion.
Good afternoon. Distinguished dignitaries, respected parents, and dear graduates and invitees. It's indeed a privilege to introduce to this august gathering a personality who exemplifies the words of famous educationist John Dewey. Education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. Education has indeed been life to Professor Souvik Bhattacharya, the Vice Chancellor of BITS Pilani. Professor Souvik Bhattacharya graduated from Jadavpur University, Kolkata with a bachelor's degree in 1981 in mechanical engineering. He obtained his MS degree from University of Cincinnati, USA in 1985 and PhD from Texas A&M University, USA in 1991, all in the field of mechanical engineering. After a postdoctoral research stint in Texas A&M, he joined the faculty of IIT Kharagpur in 1991, where he was Dean Student Affairs during 2009 to 2012, and has been a professor of mechanical engineering since 2003. He also held faculty position at University of Canterbury, Christchurch, New Zealand during 1998 to 2000. He served as Vice Chancellor of Jadavpur University, Calcutta during August 2012 to October 2013 and as Deputy Director of IIT Kharagpur during 2013 to 2016. Currently, he is the Vice Chancellor of BITS Pilani for all the 4 campuses.
And I invite the Government of India, the Ministry of Human Resource Development, and all the other regulatory bodies to take note of this. There is healthy, honest, transparent quality being contributed by all these selected few institutes, and that has to be keenly supported by the government. It will do well to serve the nation better. Now my conversation with the graduating students. So I asked myself, what's the story that I want to share with these graduating students? How do I help you weave your narrative for the unknown out there waiting for you? Here is a bit of my story. Let me also share thoughts that I often considered as an academic administrator, as a teacher researcher, and as a father. Roll back 35 years. Degree recipients, all of you were not born. I was in an airplane for the first time. Lo and behold, I was traveling overseas, first time in an airplane as a 23-year-old. 2 years after I finished my undergraduate degree, I worked in a couple of very well-known organizations for a couple of years in the country. I was petrified at the thought of leaving the country, notwithstanding the fact that I had never been on an airplane before. Was more anxious to do things right, simple things, how to go around, behave myself well in the aircraft. Whether I'll be able to communicate, that was the deepest concern. Yes, I only studied in a vernacular institution, not gifted with an English medium instruction. How would I rescue myself in that far out foreign land? was a huge concern that was enveloping my thought process all over. The overnight stopover at Copenhagen on my way to New York was an additional cause of concern because I didn't know what to do. I had no idea where Copenhagen was, neither was New York on my world of vision. The logistics, I had no clue how to handle. Language deficiency, oh my God, that's a terrified feeling.
3,245 undergraduate degrees are getting conferred in this convocation, of which 2,480 will receive the degree in person and 765 will receive the degree in absentia. 1,746 postgraduate degrees are getting conferred in this convocation, of which 1,608 will receive the degree in person and 138 will receive the degree in absentia. 8 super specialty degrees are getting conferred, of which 7 will receive in person and 1 in absentia. 86 PhDs are getting conferred in this convocation, of which 62 will receive in person and 24 will receive in absentia. A total of 5,085 degrees are getting conferred in this convocation. Of these, 4,157 will receive the degree in person and 928 in absentia. Out of these, 1,394 degrees will be awarded today. All these candidates from various disciplines, programs, and specialization represent the 18 constituent institutions and various teaching departments of MAHE. I certify that all the candidates included in the list have fulfilled the conditions prescribed for admission to the degrees and are entitled to be admitted either in person or in absentia to the rank, privileges, and responsibilities of those degrees. I congratulate all the graduates and wish them good luck in all their future endeavors. And now I request the Honorable Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballal, to confer the respective degrees to the graduates.
I, Dr. H.S. Ballal, Pro-Chancellor, MAHE, by virtue of the powers vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, admit these candidates to the rank, privileges and responsibilities of the degrees severally set out and confer the said degrees on them.
I call upon Dr. Madhukar Malya, Deputy Registrar, to administer the oath to the graduates.
Good evening, one and all. All the graduates are requested to stand and raise your right hand and repeat the oath after me. As a graduating student of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, I shall follow the code of scientific professional ethics, maintain integrity in research, uphold the cause of science, respect the dignity of human being, endeavor to be objective in my judgment, and strive for the enrichment of human values and thoughts.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः
Very good afternoon to all of you. I'm pleased to present the winners of the prestigious Dr. T.M. Pai Gold Medal of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education for the year 2017-18. Best Outgoing BTech student, Shreya R. Aital from Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. Best Outgoing BHM graduate, Mr. Soumik Kapoor from Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Manipal. Best Outgoing BAMC Graduate, Ms. Deeksha Bhatt, School of Communication, Manipal. Best Outgoing MBA Graduate, Ms. Immaculate Christina B. from School of Management, Manipal. Congratulations to all the gold medalists and wish you all the best.
Very good afternoon. I am pleased to present the PhD awardees of MAHE. Dr. Vasudev Shenoy, Dr. Shweta B.M., Dr. Raghavendra K. Holla, Dr. Hebar Preeti, Dr. Dayakshini, Dr. Eju Abraham, Dr. Ashwini Aital, Dr. Vanishri Nayak, Dr. Charita BP, Dr. Ramya. Congratulations and wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Dignitaries on and off the dais, distinguished guests, parents, and graduates. On behalf of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I sincerely thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Sauvik Bhattacharya, for sparing his valuable time to join us in our celebrations. Sir, your convocation address was insightful and one that inspired hope, optimism, and pride in all of us. We shall cherish this day with you long after the convocation is over. I thank our Chancellor, Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, for his guiding vision. Nation develops on the strength of education, and as an educationist, Sir has touched and changed the lives of generations of students. Thank you, sir, for being the catalyst of change for many of us.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Kasturba Medical College, Manipal. For the MBBS degree, Dr. Gaurav Nagendra Gumaraju. Receiving the DPM in Psychiatry, Dr. Katakam Vishwanatha Reddy. Receiving the MD Pathology, Dr. Pooja Jain. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
I am pleased to present the following postgraduates of Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. MD General Medicine, Dr. Mohammad Jamshed Ubaid, and MD Microbiology, Dr. Mithilesh Kumar Jha. MD Pediatrics, Dr. Jagat Kumar Lakshmi, and MS General Surgery, Dr. Rakesh Roshan. Congratulations and wish you all the best.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. To begin with, the graduates of Bachelor of Pharmacy, Remina Raju Apado and Shoni Thomas. Vashish Mathura. And now, the Doctor of Pharmacy graduates, Dr. Rojini Salimi and Sangeeta Iyer, Dr. Florence James and Dr. Gifty Maria James, Dr. Anila Alexander and Dr. Hina Anjum, Dr. Kirtana Badrinath and Dr. Reshma Susan Regi, Dr. Natasha Miriam De Silva and Dr. Bhavik Suresh, Dr. Shobhan Oza and Dr. Reena Joseph Chako, Dr. Monica Shekhar and Dr. Kavita Elza Varghese, Dr. Gopika S.R. and Dr. Adanki Sri Soumya, and Dr. Omar Farooq Mohiuddin, the graduates of Master of Pharmacy, Munivalli Prachi Shrikant and Patil Nikita Deepak. M. Vishnu Mohan Hebar and Karthik Mahindrakar. Vita Kirtana and Athili Anil Ramarao.
Good evening. I'm pleased to present the following graduates of School of Communication, Mahe. The graduates of MA Media and Communication, Sneha and Roshni Nayak. Shifali Murli and Apurva Chatakuti. Pooja G. Deshpande and Sneha Kolaparti. Veda Vikas Salam and Supraja Pradeep. Hina Kishore Kini and Leah Varghese. Samant Akshata Prakash and Riya Preetham. Deepanshi Khatrija and Avinash Raj. Namita S. Soren and Sangeeta Ruth Abraham. Gunjan Loyal and Harshit Jain. Bharti Anupurni KJ and Shiv Kallappa KJ. Chitarthan N and Akshaya Sridharan. Vibha Kumari and Nimi Merlin Philip. Guru Prasad HR. The graduates of BA Media and Communication, Diksha Bhatt and Dhanya Manjunath Hegde. Shreya Ramakrishnan and Riddhi Arun Kumar. Nupur Arora and Vishmya Vinod Nair.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the graduates and postgraduates of the School of Allied Health Sciences. Master of Physiotherapy, Bhagat Madhura Bharat and Karanjkar Yashashree Sanjay. MSc in Respiratory Therapy, Varun R. Nayak and Sumi Varghese. Mridula Mahesh Savatkar. Master of Optometry, Shweta V. Putran. Santosha Varashruti and MSc Health Informatics, Abhina K. MSc Clinical Psychology, Harsha Priya R. Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Aparijita Verma. Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, Grace Vincent and Purvi Patel. Bachelor of Optometry, Kshema Putran. Congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you, sirs.
I am very pleased to present the following graduates of Faculty of Architecture and Department of Design. Bachelor of Architecture, Sim Samar Juhi Bohwal. Riya Saldana, Malvika Shenoy. Dushyant Kumar, Vishnu Priya. Shinjini Shaha, Shikha Das. Tanya Timaya, Anahita Ray. Shiva Krishna, Mrinali Gaurav. Vaibhav Sinha, Ramya Nair. P. Varun, Praktikshit Prakash.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of teaching departments of MAHE. Department of Commerce, BBA in E-Banking and Finance, Arundhati Mohan Das and Richard Biju Mani. Blossom Oswald D'Souza, Akshay Kommana. Ria Pinto and Suravi I. Shetty. Shivani Damodar. Michael Fernandez and Harshita J. Suvarna. Shravya Sharad and Rohit Vinod. Aishwarya J. Suvarna and Srijan K. J. Kotian. BBA in Family Business Management, Bora Anshu Sunil and Sanjay Sunil Kumar. BBA in Financial Markets, Mahaputrini Rohit Kiran and Idekula Jacob.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. MSc in Applied Mathematics and Computing, Jyoti M. Bangera Diksha. Bharati. MSc Geology, Ayushi Bishwas, Andrea Pitula D'Souza. MTech Automobile Engineering, Prabhu Meher Kisan, Karthik Raj PM. Jijo Uken and Akshay. Akshay is a branch topper. Shashank Chinya, Rakesh Hebar. Birangal Tushar Rao Saheb, Aditya K.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. MTech, Energy Systems and Management, Karthik Shenoy. Abhishek Bhatt, Madan Hegde. Adish Chauta, Shanmuga Raja. MTech Power Electronics and Drives, Harsha Nitin Atreya, branch topper. Manmohan Sumana Achar. Murial Joita Matthias, Shweta DV. Vigneshwar Upamanyu Adhikari.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. BTech in Mechanical Engineering, Nirmal D. Anuj Dikshit. Hashir Abdul Nazir.
Nolan Rodriguez, Saumit Baumik. Rachel Manish Kapoor, Devadarsh Girish. Adit Shah, Anirudh Padmanabhan. Dubashi Ved Srivallabh, Hitesh Pujala. Levi Aviva Jesse, Ashutosh Bhatt. Banu Prakash Reddy Rondla, Dikshit Datta.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः।
The live webcast of 26th Convocation of Manipal Academy of Higher Education can be viewed at livestream.com/Manipal. You may convey this information to your friends, your well-wishers who couldn't make it to this event. We now begin with the ceremonial procession. Marching down the aisle and escorting the graduates, we have the students of Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences holding the lamp as a symbol of truth, knowledge and understanding. The lamp acts as a guide, keeping us from stumbling in the dark. At this juncture, I would like to tell the graduates to think of your parents, your teachers, who would have kindled a spark on some or the other occasion to make you realize your potential. Taking the students closely and joining them are the flag bearers of 19 constituent institutions of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, led by Mr. Jayavittal, Estate Officer Mahe. Also, in the procession are the PhDs, gold medalists and super specialities of various constituent institutions of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. I request you to kindly rise as the dignitaries are proceeding towards the dais. Leading the procession is our revered Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballal, escorting the chief guest of today's function, Mr. Krishna Kumar Natarajan, co-founder and executive chairman of Mindtree, Bengaluru. Following very closely is our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, Pro Vice Chancellor, Mangalore Campus, Dr. Surendra V. Shetty, Pro Vice Chancellor, Quality Assurance, Dr. PLNG Rao, Pro Vice Chancellor, Melaka Campus, Dr. Abdul Razak, Pro Vice Chancellor, Faculty Health Sciences, Dr. Purnima Baliga, Registrar, Dr. Narayana Sabahir, Registrar Evaluation, Dr. Vinod Thomas, Director Student Affairs, Dr. Geeta Maya, Dr. C. Mallikarjuna Rao, Dean, Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal, Dr. Kirtilata M. Pai, Principal, Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Chef Tirunyana Sambandam K,
Dean, Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore, Dr. Dilip G. Nayak. Dean, Manipal College of Nursing, Dr. Anis George. Dean, Melaka Manipal Medical College, Manipal, Dr. Ullas Kamal. Director, School of Communication, Dr. Padma Rani. Director, School of Information Sciences, Professor Ramashesha C.S. Dean, School of Allied Health Sciences, Dr. B. Rajashekhar. Academic President of Mahe Dubai Campus, Dr. S.B. Kota Reddy. Joint Director, Manipal Institute of Technology, Dr. B.H.P. Pai. Associate Director, MIT, Dr. M. Vijaya Kini. Chief Innovation Officer, Dr. Arun Shanbhag. Associate Director, Manipal Institute of Technology, Dr. Jissi Kovur, and Deputy Registrar Evaluation, Dr. Srijit G. I request you all to kindly remain standing for the national anthem.
शान्ता पृथिवी शान्तमिदं उर्वन्तरिक्षं शान्ता उदन्वतीरापः शान्ता न सन्तोषदीः शान्तानि पूर्वरूपाणि शान्तं न अस्तु कृताकृतं शान्तं भूतं च भव्यं च सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः इयं या परमेष्टिनी वाग्देवी ब्रह्म संशिता ययैव ससृजे घोरं तयैव शान्तिरस्तु नः तयैव शान्तिरस्तु नः इदं यत् परमेष्टिनं मनो वां ब्रह्म संशितं येनैव ससृजे घोरं तेनैव शान्तिरस्तु नः तेनैव शान्तिरस्तु नः इमानि यानि पञ्चेन्द्रियाणि मनः षष्ठानि मे हृदि ब्रह्मणा संशितानि यैरेव ससृजे घोरं तैरेव शान्तिरस्तु नः तैरेव शान्तिरस्तु नः पृथिवी शान्तिः अन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः द्यौ शान्तिः आपः शान्तिः ओषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिः विश्वे मे देवा शान्तिः सर्वे मे देवा शान्तिः 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 शान्तिभिः ताभिः शान्तिभिः सर्वः शान्तिभिः शमयामोऽहं यदिह घोरं यदिह क्रूरं यदिह पापं तच्छान्तं तच्छिवं सर्वमेव शमस्तु नः सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः।
I have great pleasure in extending a hearty welcome to all of you who have kindly accepted and responded to our invitation to attend this function. Convocation is a momentous occasion for students and the teachers alike. A convocation ceremony is a special day in the academic life of students, as after years of hard work and dedication, they get their hard-earned educational degrees. It's a tribute to the core values of Manipal Academy of Higher Education and its founders, Dr. T.M.A. Pai and his family, that excellence, leadership, professionalism, ethics, and respect for diversity have ensured that Manipal remains as one of the most favored destinations for students. To commemorate this occasion, we have with us Mr. Krishna Kumar Natarajan, the Executive Chairman, Mindtree Global Village, Bangalore. Mindtree is a global IT player delivering IT services and solutions with an innovative approach to global 2,000 enterprises. Mr. Krishna Kumar Natarajan, we welcome you to the convocation and look forward to your address, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Dr. H.S. Ballal, Pro-Chancellor, whose astute stewardship has been the guiding force of the university, has played a pivotal role in our university to be recognized as one of the leading institutions in the country.
I am pleased to take you through a short presentation of the university's achievements in the last 12 months. Dr. Tonse Madhava Ananta Pai, the man who conceived and created Manipal, was a pioneer in educational entrepreneurship. His far-sighted vision and single-minded approach saw the birth of private medical education in Manipal, which led to a model emulated across the country even to this day. His illustrious son, Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, made Manipal an international university township and also took Indian higher education overseas. Dr. Ranjan Pai, at the forefront of enterprises in education, healthcare, and cutting-edge research, with several spectacular successes behind him, he represents the third generation. Commitment, perseverance, integrity, and humility have been the core values of the family, and the university has adopted them as its own in its march forward. Dr. Ramdas M. Pai was conferred the Life Achievement Award by the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries on the 30th of October this year in Delhi. This is yet another recognition of Dr. Pai's contribution to higher education in India and the neighborhood. MHRD's special status to MAHE as an institution of eminence is an acknowledgement of what we have done in the past and the potential to become a globally ranked university in the future. This is a defining moment for MAHE, coming in its 25th year. The responsibilities attached to this coveted status are mammoth but not insurmountable. Our target is to be ranked within 800 by Times Higher Education in 2019.
That has brought the company so far. When they made bad choices, Natarajan readily acknowledged missteps and exited ventures. As he says, during challenging times, honesty and over-communication helps. Despite all this success, Natarajan remains well-grounded. Many talk about him as an easygoing, genial person. Natarajan attributes some of these traits to his early childhood in the railway colony in Chennai, where his father was a railway doctor. He acknowledges that environment fostered his ability to work with a diverse group of people, which later helped him gain friends and customers globally. In March of this year, Natarajan and his wife Akila, whom he met while at Wipro, sold a portion of the shares in Mindtree and raised $5 million to fund their non-profit Mela. which is focused on helping bright girls attain professional qualifications and in helping senior citizens age gracefully. This trend of businessmen doing philanthropy is heartening, and our man Natarajan, just like our own Manipal founders family, is leading from the front. As you'd expect, Mr. Natarajan has received a large number of awards reflecting the outsized impact he has made on our startup and entrepreneurial culture. He was named Bloomberg CEO of the Year in 2010, Business Today CEO of the Year in 2014, Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year in 2015, and has been recognized among the most valuable CEOs of India by Business World and Forbes in 2016. He was recognized by CEO magazine as one of the 12 global leaders of tomorrow. Verily, yesterday's tomorrow dawned today. Today, we need exactly his ethics and integrity, his humility, inclusiveness, and democratic consensus-driven way of doing business, not only in business, but in all aspects of our society.
Graduating students, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed an honor for me to deliver the 26th convocation address of Manipal Institute of Higher Education. MAHE was started by a visionary, Dr. T.M.A. Pai, who passionately believed in addressing the three major ills of illiteracy, ill health, and poverty. More commendable is that he did it as a private enterprise without expecting any assistance from the government. Having started a private enterprise purely for commercial purposes, I fully appreciate the magnitude of the societal impacts he has made. Under his able directions and the efforts of many thought leaders like Dr. Ramdas Pai, Dr. Ranjan Pai, MAHE today is a world-class institution and has presence in various parts of the globe and attracts students from over 54 countries. I'd like to congratulate the graduate class of 2018 for choosing MAHE for a very important step in your life and career and graduating with flying colors from this august institute.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः।
I am very happy to give a brief statistical report about the number of graduates on whom the degree is going to be conferred. 3,245 undergraduate degrees are getting conferred in this convocation, of which 2,480 will be receiving the degree in person and 765 will be receiving the degree in absentia. Out of the 1,746 postgraduate degrees which are getting conferred in this convocation, 1,608 will be receiving in person and 138 will be receiving the degree in absentia. 8 super specialty degrees are getting conferred during this convocation, of which 7 will be receiving the degree in person and 1 in absentia. 86 PhDs are getting conferred in this convocation, of which 62 will be receiving the degree in person and 24 will be receiving the degree in absentia. A total of 5,085 degrees are getting conferred during this 26th convocation of MAHE, of which 4,157 will be receiving the degree in person and 928 in absentia. Out of this, 1,376 degrees will be awarded today. All of these candidates from various disciplines, programs and specializations represent the 18 constituent institutions and various teaching departments of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. All graduates are requested to stand and raise your right hand and repeat the oath after me. As a graduating student of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, I shall follow the Code of Scientific Professional Ethics, maintain integrity in research, uphold the cause of science, respect the dignity of human being, endeavor to be objective in my judgment, and strive for the enrichment of human values and thoughts. Thank you. Please be seated.
It's time to know the recipients of the Dr. TMA Pay Gold Medal from Director Student Affairs, Dr. Geeta Maya. Madam, may I invite you to do the honors. I request the Chief Guest, Mr. Krishna Kumar, to give the certificate and Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballal, to present the gold medal.
I am pleased to present before you the winners of the prestigious Dr. TMA Pay Gold Medal of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education for the year 2017-18. Best Outgoing BDS Graduate, Ms. B. Kurukita, Manipal College of Dental Sciences and Manipal. Best Outgoing Graduate Student of Allied Health Sciences, Ms. Atira C. Anil, School of Allied Health Sciences, Manipal. Congratulations to all the golden medalists and wish you all the best.
I am pleased to present the PhD awardees of MAHE, Dr. Annapurna K. and Dr. Sivakumar G. Dr. Nagaraj Kamath and Dr. Sandhya Lakshmi Navda. Dr. Rituparna Chakravarti and Dr. Rajesh T. Dr. Divya Shenai P. and Dr. Sushma R.K. Dr. K. Arati Bhatt and Dr. Shreyas Suresh Rao. Dr. Melissa Glenda Lewis and Dr. Anand V. Dr. Harinakshi Karkera and Dr. Prasad N. Shetty. Dr. Nimi Kumar and Dr. Vijay Kumar. Dr. Shaktamani Satyam and Dr. Srinivas TV. Dr. Vinayambika S. Bhatt and Dr. Aparna Ayan. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Convocation, a day that makes the graduates nostalgic about their life in the campus. A day the graduates are emotional about their achievements. And it is a day for the parents to be proud of their wards' academic achievements. By and large, it is the day that shall make the graduates and the parents to cherish the memories of the graduates' successful academic accomplishments. Hence, MAHE organizes the grad walk function for its graduates in a great style to remain the event in their memories forever. Lots of preparations have gone into this event to see that more than 4,000 graduates walk for the graduation ceremony flawlessly in front of their beloved parents and well-wishers, numbering more than 9,000 in a span of 3 days. Before the curtains are drawn on the 26th in general and the day 3 of the 26th convocation in particular, let me take this honor to propose the vote of thanks to those who relentlessly worked for the success of this convocation of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Our chief guest, Sri Krishna Kumar Natarajan, co-founder and executive chairman, Mindtree Bengaluru, has accepted an invitation to be part of this evening grad walk ceremony and to deliver a message to our graduates. Dear sir, you have inspired our graduates with a fine and the crisp, candid and thought-provoking message. Your presence in fact has graced this occasion. Could I request all the members of the audience to join me to thank Sri Krishna Kumar Natarajan profusely.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of Kasturba Medical College, Manipal. Receiving the MBBS degree today, Dr. Merin Verghese and Dr. Pranaya R. Prabhu. Dr. Avishek Bhattacharya and Dr. Divya Bajpai. Receiving the DPM Psychiatry, Dr. Nitish Junthra. Receiving the MS General Surgery, Dr. M. Srujana Reddy.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. Dr. Purushottam CN and Dr. Sachin S. Dr. Akash Ramaswamy and Dr. Kaushik K. Dr. Revati Palgani and Dr. Sohan M. Dr. Deepak C. Naik. Postgraduates, MS General Surgery, Dr. Dhananjay Kumar, MD Pediatrics, Dr. Mansoor KP,
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. Firstly, the graduates of Bachelor of Pharmacy, Dhawal Manoj Patel and Swati Naik. Atharwala Nabil Abbas and Rashmi. Kritika Mukherjee and Ranjita. And now the lone Doctor of Pharmacy postbaccalaureate graduate, Dr. Ishmat Begum.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Vaksha Department of Culinary Arts and Department of Allied Hospitality Studies. To begin with, Bachelor of Hotel Management, Simpson Gilbert Almeida and Jason Ashley D'Souza. Amit Arjun and Ashwin Kumar A. Sujay and Seema Mirza. Tanya Gupta and Puneet Kumar. Ashika Ovesh Ora.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore. MDS Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Dr. Bettina Ashwini Varghese and Dr. Varsha Maria Joseph. Dr. Madhurima D. Sarkar and Dr. Karthik S. Nath. MDS Oral Pathology and Microbiology, Dr. Nunna Sai Chitra and Dr. K.S. Sneha. MDS Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, Dr. Pritika Srivastava, Dr. MLV Surya Mitra. MDS Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics, Dr. Ankita Loya, Dr. Mahesh K.
I am pleased to present the following undergraduates and postgraduates of Manipal College of Nursing, Manipal. BSc Nursing, Rishika Thapa, Leah Vincent. Sarah D'Souza, Abida Roy. Chinnu S. Kuruvala, Mr. Gautam Kumar. Okay, I think. Rosebell Thomas, Vaishnavi Prabhu.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः।
I am pleased to present the following graduates of School of Communication, Mahe. MA Media and Communication, Shibi Manohar, Preetam Gopalakrishna Adiga. Sayuj Radhakrishnan Nambiar, Rustam Muhammad Yunus. Shreyams S. Clifford Chetan Ambler. Neeraj Govinda Palan, Varun Kukreja. BA Media and Communication, Anushri Ganesh Rao, Bhavna J. Tadi.
I am pleased to present the following postgraduates of School of Information Science. ME Embedded Systems, Madhulika HK. ME Embedded Systems and Instrumentation, Deepak Pai. ME Automotive Embedded Systems, Akash B.R. ME Medical Software, Kavita Balan Nair. ME VLSI Design, Varun MP. ME Embedded and Wireless Technologies, Tejasvi G, Vanishri K.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of the School of Allied Health Sciences. MPhil Clinical Psychology, Uma Parameshwaran, Tavleen Kaur Kohli. Silvana Kurian, Shruti Rajan Kapil. Monica Elsa Jacob, Archana Dinesh. Edavana Santosh Sri Lakshmi, Mishra Arpita Alok. Shilpa Nagaraj, Arshia Rajshekar. MSc Medical Imaging Technology, Visak T. R. Lalruat Fela. Jasimuddin and Sailesh Nayak. Masters in Medical Radiation Physics, Mushin PK, Nisi Maria Tangachan. Kirti Ganesh, Rani Maria Anthony. Gambit Jamin Sambhavi and MSc Nuclear Medicine Technology, Arnold Vijay. Masters in Perfusion Technology, Merlin Ann Matthew.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of the School of Management. Receiving Master of Business Administration degree, Vineet V. Pai, Mohammad Mustafa Sheikh. Vimlesh M. Sheth, Shushmita Rao. Rohit M. Ashwin Mohan. Akshata A.S. Receiving.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of School of Life Sciences, Mahe, Manipal. BSc Biotechnology, Apurva Dinesh Rao, Rashmi Mogera. Srajana Nayak, Ruchita Rao Kavle. Ritu and Reji, Ranawat Harsh Mahendra. Mugula Sadrusha, MSc Bioinformatics, Matthias Aaron Airal Abraham Irene. MSc Medical Biotechnology, Manisha Francis Lopez. MSc Molecular Biology and Human Genetics, Ronak Mukherjee.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Faculty of Architecture, Department of Design. Masters in Architecture, Urban Design Development, Gauri Padmacharan, Karthikeyan K.H. Sankirtana and Pavana Rao. Gopanath Vamsi Shravya Hegde. Sanskriti Vardhan and Venkata Gopalakrishna. Sai Prashant and Lakshmi Bhargavi.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of teaching departments of MAHE. Department of Commerce, BBA in E-Banking and Finance, Ananya A. and Neelam Yadav. Karthik Pujari and Joshi Vishal Prakash. Pooja S. Prabhu, Lashini Bishara Lawrence, Fiona Pereira, Badarish Nayak. BBA in Financial Markets, Saket Srivastav, Leroy Joyce D'Souza.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. MSc in Chemistry, Pooja Raikar, Nagalakshmi. Shyam Sundar J. Deepak. Dheeraj Santosh Prabhu. Sneha Kagatikar, Ayushi Tripathi. Pavitra Gopal Krishna Pai, Pooja H.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. BTech Civil Engineering, Abhishek Kumar. PK Abhishek, Mohammad Shafeen. Rehan Ashwani Gupta, Ganganapalli Lalit Kaushik. Doddapaneni Vamsiraj, Akanksha Singhal. Sharan Mehra, Prince Vikramjit Singh.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following postgraduates and graduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. MTech Energy Systems and Management, B. Akshata. MTech Power Electronics and Drives, Magdalene S. BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Ankan Sarkar. Venna Thomas Bala Akil Reddy, Samrid UR. Dhanraj J. Salyan, PR Prajwal.
I am pleased to present the following graduates and postgraduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. BTech Industrial and Production Engineering, Karun Kannan. Suryans Mishra, Prajwal Khegde. Sarthak Desai, Ananya Garg. Manjunath Jagdish Akshay S. Nayak, Sajid Shreya Sushmita Pai, Nagaraja, BTech Mechanical Engineering Ekansh Verma, Sheldon Mendonça Pancham Alva, Noel George Daniel Rishabh Singh Suhag,
I, Dr. H.S. Ballal, Pro-Chancellor Mahe, on behalf of our Chancellor Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, close the 26th convocation of Mahe. Mighty, mighty MIT.
Hearty congratulations to all the graduates and best wishes for your next adventure. Wishing you all a beautiful and blessed evening. I conclude by saying, in life you make small decisions with your head and the big decisions with your heart. Kindly collect the snack boxes as you exit. Thank you for your wonderful cooperation.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः
ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯವು ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಸರಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಲೆಸಿದ 57 ವಿವಿಧ ದೇಶಗಳ 19 ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ 28,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಕರಾಗುವ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
शान्ताद्योः शान्ता पृथिवी शान्तमिदं उर्वन्तरिक्षं शान्ता उदन्वतीरापः शान्ता न सन्तोषधीः शान्तानि पूर्वरूपाणि शान्तं न अस्तु कृताकृतम्.
ಮಾಹೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 2,500 ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಮಾರು 10,000 ಇತರ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವಾ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ.
No, see, convocation, as you know, it's a very important day for graduates who are, getting their degrees, wearing that attire, convocation attire, and also more to their parents. Because, I always say parents, enjoy the convocation more than the graduates. In most of the cases, parents educate their children. Many of them will not be able to do it on their own. So they either borrow money or pledge their properties to see that their children get educated and become graduates so that they get good employment later, so that they can lead a better life. So this has been going on for the last now 26th convocation. When I became the Vice Chancellor of this university, way back in 2003, this convocation was not in existence, though our university came into existence in the year 1993. The concerned universities, rather institutions, respect like medical college, dental college, engineering colleges were giving degrees on their own. But later we thought as a university it is our responsibility to give the degrees. That's how it started.
So initially we had only one convocation, that was in Manipal, but later as the numbers increased, we had to split it into 3 now here in Manipal itself. And this convocation that we held recently in November, which we hold every year, these 3 convocations were mainly for the students who are graduating from the engineering college, management, and other technological institutions, and a little bit of medical and dental who are doing their post-graduation, and allied health sciences. And in Mangalore, we have one more convocation somewhere in April end or May. That is basically to cater to the medical and the dental students who will be graduating or who will be eligible for graduation by that time. So as I said earlier, this is like a festival occasion, especially for the graduates and their parents. And the response has been excellent. And in the previous years, we used to have it in the evenings, followed by dinners. See, the problem was many of them, who wanted to go back to their destination, they were finding it difficult to go back. That was the reason why we advanced it to 3 o'clock in the evening and afternoon. And the response has been excellent, and the students are very, very happy. And it's an opportunity for us to invite more guests, chief guests of every convocation, so that we can showcase our facilities. And also these are all important people in their respective areas. Now when we have these convocations, technology convocations, that is in November, normally we invite people with engineering background, usually, so that it will be more relevant for the graduates who are graduating than the Mangalore convocation, which we hold mainly for medical and dental people. We try to call people chief guests, people with the health science background. So all the chief guests were very happy. It's an opportunity, since I told you they are all very important people, it's an opportunity for us to showcase our facility. And also many of the graduates, their parents and all will be visiting. So they will go around the campus and they will be happy. And it will be sort of, the marketing our university, the facilities. Marketing means not giving money. Basically, see, when they see these parents, if they will go and tell their relatives, word of mouth, that's, we feel, is a better way of advertising rather than advertising in newspapers or television. So this has been going on and it will go on. Initially what we thought, you see, in all these government universities, like Rajiv Gandhi University or any other state or central universities, what they do is they do not call all the graduates to the podium, stage, to give the degrees physically. They only the people who have won gold medals or distinction and PhD scholars will be called to the dais, and the chief guest will give the degrees. But here we are giving degrees to every individual who graduates. Of course, the people who excel, who get gold medal, like Dr. T.M., our founders, gold medal and all, they will be called first. PhD scholars will be called first. But other people also we call them. Basically, why we do that is, this is an opportunity which comes once in a lifetime, which they keep it as a treasure for the rest of their life. That is the reason why we thought we should call all the individuals who are graduating and then honor them by giving them the degree certificate, which will be photographed and it will be in their record. That's the reason why we do that. And the response has been increasing year by year. See, initially, as I said, we were having one convocation. Now we have 3. And each convocation, there are about more than 1,000 graduates are getting the graduation. And next time, we may have to make it 4 in Manipal, So, but we want to see that every graduate is called to the dais and given the degree in person. This is a very important year for us in the university. We are celebrating our 25th year, our silver jubilee year. These are all important milestones which come once in a lifetime. And more than that, this year we have been recognized as an institution of eminence by the MHRD, Ministry of the Central Government, which only 2 universities in the private sector and 3 in the public sector have been recognized, and 1 more in Greenfield, which has not yet come into existence, out of around 800 universities and 45,000 colleges in this country, which we consider as a great recognition. So naturally, when you go up the ladder or when your recognition is increased or more, you have more responsibility because you have to set certain principles, and standard operating procedures or whatever it is, for others to follow. Many people will look up to us and see what Mahe is doing so that they can also emulate that. That's the reason we have to set an example for others. Now, this convocation, many people are not aware of, as you rightly said, the significance of that. Many people do not know. But I tell you, for a student, initially we also thought when we started this convocation that why call all the graduates to the dais and give them the degree certificate, One is it's laborious, it's time consuming. It takes about 3 to 4 hours. That's why to reduce the time, now we call people from both sides, which is I have never seen anywhere. That is basically to save time. At the same time, and they get snapped, and so that we don't compromise on anything. But the time, for anybody for that matter, unless your kith or kin is taking or receiving the degree certificate, I don't think you will be interested to sit that long, So initially what used to happen was when we are calling people who get their certificate, they used to disappear from the scene, and at the end hardly anybody used to be there. But now we have changed the system, we have made a lot of other arrangements to see that children do not go out, stay back till the end of the program. Then only that decorum of the program is maintained, So we are doing like that, and initially, as I said, we thought we should call only gold medalists and PhD scholars. The rest of the people we'll make them stand, give an oath, saying that all you have become graduates and all. Then we thought, one is the response may not be that great, in the sense, unless the graduate gets the degree himself or herself, they may not come. They will get it in absentia, as they do in most of these government universities and central universities. So we thought it's an opportunity which, as I said earlier, comes once in a lifetime. Let us give the opportunity for the children, for the graduates, to take that degree in person, which will go a long way, and it will be a permanent treasure for them for the rest of their lives. That's the reason why we have done that, and the response has been amazing. Students are so happy because this is a very laborious process. A lot of, work behind the scene happens to make this event a grand success. It is not that easy. We do rehearsals every year, in spite of doing it for the last now 15 or 16 years. Every year, you ask Alex, we know, we have that rehearsal. We do that rehearsal 2 or 3 days in succession before the convocation, so that it becomes perfect. Because, as I said, we have to set an example. So these events, as I said, this is like a marriage, isn't it? The bride and the bridegroom, if they are not there, what is the significance of marriage? So similarly, the graduates should get the degree in person. That's why even if the number of graduates increase, which is bound to happen, because we start many new courses, many new graduates come and all, the number will increase. It will never come down. So now is like a mother giving birth to a child. Just give birth to a child and then leave it like that on the road, Nurturing, you have to make the child grow, feed it properly, then once it grows, then give proper education to the child, isn't it? Because the future of the child is very, very important, isn't it? So that is the responsibility of the mother. I always say the child, soon after birth, till the child goes to the school, they look up to their parents, especially the mother, as their role models. Once they go to the school, they look up to the teachers as the role model. But till that period, till the child goes to the school, you have to bring it up, nurture it properly, and also give an atmosphere of education, the importance of education. Mothers have to do that. Now, of course, you have got this kindergarten, this, that and all. In the past, they never used to have those. Till the child becomes 5 or 6 years, they used to be at home only. And mother or the father used to be their teacher like thing, So it is a responsibility of the parents to see that the child gets proper education and mold the child in such a way that the child will have a bent of mind to educate. Because today, education is very important. No country can think of making any progress unless we give education to the children. Because in India especially, we have a great advantage because of large young population. More than 60% of our population are below the age of 25 years. So we have to educate them. So once you educate them, See, becoming a graduate is very important because that's one, certificate, it's a stamp, which will help you in getting your employment. What is the purpose of giving education? As I said, many people may not afford, parents, but still they educate so that their children become graduates, get employed in a good organization and earn salary. Not only look after them and look after the parents also when they become old. So the placement record, that is after you graduate, as you said, we just don't give them a certificate and ask them to go. We will see that they get proper employment. That's why placement record is very important, especially on the technology side. Medical side, the doctors, even if they don't get employment, they can practice on their own and earn money. Whereas on the technology side, unless you become an entrepreneur, isn't it? So unless you become an entrepreneur, it is difficult to make a living, But how many people can become entrepreneurs, self-employed, isn't it? So that's the reason it is very important that they provide education of good quality by which the employment becomes very easy. Lot of companies, good companies, not just ordinary companies, come and select your children in their 3rd or 4th year itself, so that soon after they graduate, they get good employment. Some of them, join jobs for some time to gain experience and then come back and do post-graduation, higher studies. It is left to them. So employment depends on the quality of education and the reputation of the institution where they graduate. Understand? So that reputation we won't compromise under any circumstance. See, because most of the institutions that we run, the placement record is almost 100%. 100%, I don't say the companies that come to take the students for employment are of high quality.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः।
ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯವು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ದುಬೈ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲೇಷ್ಯಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಕಬಂದ ಬಾಹುಗಳನ್ನು ಚಾಚಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ, ದಂತ ಮತ್ತು ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ರೀಜನರೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ದುಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲೇಷ್ಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮತ್ತು ದಂತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ವಿಶ್ವದರ್ಜೆಯ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬಿಸಲು ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಹೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದವರಿಂದ 26ನೇ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಮಾಹೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಹಲವಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಉನ್ನತ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಪಾಯ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹೆ ಕಳೆದ ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಷನ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 3,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಅಧಿಕ ಮಂದಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ದಿಯಾ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಬೇರಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಪಿಎಚ್ಡಿ ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರು ಮತ್ತಿತರ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿದ ಸಭಾಂಗಣವನ್ನ ನೋಡುವುದೇ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂತರ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಹಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಂತರ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾದ 1,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಅಧಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕರೆದು ಕಾನ್ವೆಕೇಷನ್ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ಮಾಹೆಯ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ವರದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಪಡೆದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಪಿಎಚ್ಡಿ ಪಡೆದ ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾನ್ವಿಕೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಜ್ಞಾನಾರ್ಜನೆಗೆ ನೆರವಾದ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಬಂದ ಬಾಹುಗಳಿಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನ ಉನ್ನತೀಕರಿಸುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನ ಇಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹೆ ಸಫಲವಾಗಿದೆ. 3 ದಿನಗಳನ್ನ 3,000 ಅಧಿಕ ಮಂದಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಾನ್ವಿಕೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಪಡೆದು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಉನ್ನತ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಹೆ ಅವರು ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಏಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಮೈಲಿಗಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶಯ.
So the 3 years went like so fast in this university. So I had really good experience spending my college life especially in Manipal. So BBA in Family Business Management was a real great criteria in college in which they introduced this course to the Manipal University. So I am very happy with my graduation in Manipal University. Thank you, ma'am. It is actually, as a parent, it is really a proud moment. As a parent.
I completed my 3 years course at Department of Commerce, Manipal University, specializing in logistic and supply chain management, Bachelor's of Business Administration, and I feel extremely happy and excited to graduate today. It's a proud moment. 3 years of hard work has come to a great end, and I'll miss this place a lot. And yeah, I love Manipal. Thank you.
I have done my Masters in Hospital Administration from Manipal Academy of Higher Education. I have done my Bachelor's in Dental Surgery before, and I feel very privileged to be a part of Manipal. Manipal has been a great experience in the past 2 years. I feel very happy to be part of Manipal. My family has supported me immensely in these past 2 years. I'll always be privileged and thankful to Manipal. Thank you.
Master's in structure engineer, and I want to thank my university on behalf of getting this degree here. ನಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ? ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ 26ನೇ ಕಾನ್ವೊಕೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರು MTech ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ವೊಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವುದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತೋಷ ಎನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪಂದನ್ ಟಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಪಂದನ್ ಟಿ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂದು 5,000 ಜನ ಸೇರಿದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾನ್ವೊಕೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 1,300 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು 300 ಜನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂಥ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
I am Ashraf Ali, Managing Director of Metropolis Group of Hotels, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Hubli. My son is here in Manipal Institute for his convocation today, Ismail Ashraf. He has just completed his BHM this year and already has joined Fribo Group of Hotels. And today I found it really overwhelming, the convocation ceremony here. Very happy that I had asked my son to join Manipal Academy to complete his hotel management from Vaksha Welcome Group. And myself being a hotelier, I did not have any pressure on him. He himself had chosen this.
So like the convocation was really well planned. Yeah, the convocation was really well planned,
and all the chief guests that were here were really, the speech was really nice. So yeah, and Manipal experience was amazing. Like there's nothing else that can explain it. So yeah, it was amazing. That's what I'm going to say. Yeah, thank you.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः
So I was really looking forward to this day because finally, because finally I'm getting to meet all my friends after really long, and the convocation was really nice, and all the dignitaries also were really good, and overall it was a great experience, and that's what.
Experience of Manipal was very, very enriching and very amazing for my daughter. We had absolutely no tensions from the day she joined here, and I think the arrangements today for the convocation were excellent. And we thoroughly enjoyed the program, and we saw some great luminaries at the function, and it was a good experience. And it's quite, what do you say, we feel very productive that our child has come out so well from this organization.
Your name, ma'am?
Pushpa Pujari. From Mudibidri. Thank you.
We are very happy. We have sent our daughter to Manipal. Manipal is a very great institute. It's a well-known institute. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಗಳು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತು ಅವಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಯ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
ಹಲೋ, ನಾನು ಸುಮನ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದೆ MTech ಪವರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ವೊಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಸಹ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಗೌನ್ಸನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಕೊಂಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ಖುಷಿ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇತ್ತು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಿತಿನ್ ಆತ್ರೇಯ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು MITಗೆ MTech ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ MIT ನಾನು ಪವರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅದರ್ institutions, and the quality and the labs and ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ MTech ಮಾಡೋದು ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಅಹೆಡ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಇದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ MIT ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್. ನಾನು ನಿತಿನ್ ಆತ್ರೇಯ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಮೈಸೂರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So I'm really happy about my graduation. It's finally done.
Finally you got convocation certificate. How's your mood?
I'm feeling elated. I only saw this before in movies and heard it before. Wow. So I'm gonna do the same move of throwing my cap up in the air and celebrate my graduation. Yeah.
According to you, what is Manipal and what do you tell about Manipal?
So Manipal, these 4 years they are an integral part of my life. They were the years when my personality got formed, and it's very integral to every student, I must say. Yeah.
According to you, what you studied about your stream, like what is stream?
Computer and Communication Engineering.
Telling about that computer and.
Okay, so it was a new course designed by the college, and they had new technologies, new tools to teach us. So it was a very rich experience for me.
So all the time you supported your parents, right? Telling your parents.
Sorry?
Telling about your parents.
Okay. So my parents, my father, my mother, and so they have supported me through all this time, and yeah.
He spent 4 years very, he enjoyed too much.
Hi, this is Upamanyu Adhikari, and I've just passed out my MTech in Power Electronics and Drives, and this convocation conducted by MIT is the best, so I'm feeling really happy, and my parents are really proud of it. Thank you. The convocation was conducted in a very systematic manner. I appreciate the system and the security staff also, which we have taken all these security measures, and also the admin staff, which the way they have organized the convocation. So yeah, I really appreciate it. Thanks to MIT and Manipal. I really love to come back to this place because this place is a really good place. Thank you. Manipal, yeah, what to say? Manipal is one of the best places I love to come. It's one of the coziest places wherein you get things at just a stone throws away distance. And what do I say more? Once you leave Manipal, you know its importance.
ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿರೇಡ್ಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಲಾಜಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಇವತ್ತು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ
ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ MTech ANC ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ MTech ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ, ಈ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಇವರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವರು ಓದೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
सर्वमेव क्षमस्तु नः.